Meet Globe Studio, the all-in-one toolkit to create professional globe visuals in minutes. No After Effects templates, no 3D software required, no wasted time. If you want to show global data, your team, your market, or political connections between countries, Globe Studio is the right tool for your need. In Globe Studio, you have a fully customizable globe, and you can also adjust the lighting to your liking. To add a stop, click on Add Stop. Click on the map to place your pin. Add a label, change the subtext, modify the camera settings, and when you're done, you can just add a second one. It's as easy as clicking and placing in real time. You can also add a country. Simply add a country layer, select the country of your choice and click on it. To add a bunch of countries at once, use our importer wizard. Just add all the places, cities and countries, and then just click Search. The coordinates then will be automatically determined. It can also distinguish between city and country. You can then simply apply these and the coordinates will be automatically placed on the map and connected to each other. In the settings, you have the option to choose from various planet shaders. There are different display modes available, including a political map. You can also fully customize all the other aspects of the globe: the atmosphere, the clouds, the sunlight, and much more. This includes the labels as well. Here you can adjust the size to your liking, the font, the color, and the positioning. You can toggle the flight arcs on and off, display them in different variants and sizes, and customize them however you like. You can also easily change their color. Additionally, you can display the borders of all countries as well as their names. Beyond that, you can adjust the color of the highlighted countries to your preferences. You can also use the wave effect to indicate the range of your locations. This is then triggered for every pin in your storyboard. You can also visualize latitude and longitude lines with the map grid. And of course, you can customize the star background and the sun to your liking as well. By default, we support anamorphic lens flares. However, you can also easily convert these into standard ones without any issues. Once you've customized everything to your liking, you move on to the export dialog. Here you can choose from various frame rates and common aspect ratios, or you can enter fully custom values. You have the option to select different resolutions and quality settings, and when you're ready, you can just hit export to save your final animation. Try Globe Studio now. Download a free trial at frametools.io and upgrade when you're ready.
Animate the world. Globe Studio. Try it now for free on frametools.io.